Now let's take a look at use case number 8. We're going to try to see how we can build microservices using Docker Machine and Docker Compose. So the goal of this use case would be to cover or introduce you to something called Docker Machine, Docker Compose, and then using Docker Machine with Docker Compose for microservices. Now let's take a look at what a Docker Machine is. Docker Machine is a tool that lets you install Docker engine on virtual hosts. So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be running virtual machines on your current computer, be it the PC or the Mac, and then you will have Docker engine installed within those machines. So pictorially you can represent this by whatever you see on the slide. On the left hand side you basically have the regular stack where you have the REST API, the client and the client Docker machine, and then you basically create a virtual machine. So it may sound a little abstract right now, but then I think as we go on through the lectures, you will have a better understanding. The picture below depicts the use of virtual machines. So imagine running Docker engines on virtual machines inside your current host PC or Mac. So that's basically what Docker Machine is. So what we're going to do as a part of this exercise is, as you can see, we have the infrastructure and the server on the bottom, the host operating system, and on top of the host operating system we have the Docker engine. So we're going to use some of the commands of the Docker machine to be able to create two virtual hosts. As you can see, there are virtual host 1 and virtual host 2, each having their own memory, own CPU cycles, and IP addresses. As you can see, I've installed two containers. Each one is a microservice. Container 1 runs MySQL, container 2 runs Java, and the same way the second host runs MySQL on container 1 and Java on container 2. So let's go take a look at how we can do this.